Today, I'm going to teach you how to get started with charts in Adobe Express. Creating visual data representations is a powerful way to make your presentations and documents more engaging and easier to understand, so let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and type in new.express.adobe.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Adobe Express account using your credentials. This step is essential as it gives you access to all the tools and features Adobe Express has to offer. After logging in, you'll land on the Adobe Express homepage. Here, look for the button that says Start New Design and click on it from the options that appear. Select Custom Size. This gives you the flexibility to create a canvas that fits your specific needs. Once you've chosen Custom Size, click on Create New File to open up your blank workspace. Now you're in the editor, and it's time to add your chart. Look over to the left panel where you'll see a plus icon. Click on that plus icon, and a menu will pop up with various options. From this menu, select Charts and Grids. This section is specifically designed for adding data visualization elements to your design. After clicking Charts and Grids, navigate to the upper left toolbar and click on Charts. This is where the magic happens. Adobe Express offers several chart types to choose from, including bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and donut charts. Each type serves a different purpose depending on the data you want to present, so browse through and select the one that best fits your needs. Once you've selected your preferred chart type, it's time to customize it to match your vision. In the left panel, you'll see an option labeled Label. Click on it, and you'll notice a color picker right beside it. This tool allows you to customize the color of your labels, making them stand out or blend in depending on your design goals. Choose a color that aligns with your overall aesthetic. Next, you can personalize the text within your chart. Click on the text that says Item 1, and you'll be able to rename it based on your specific preferences. This step is crucial because it ensures your chart accurately represents the data you're working with. Take your time here to make sure each label is clear and meaningful. Finally, navigate to the Value section in the left panel. Here you can customize the numerical values for each element in your chart. Simply click on the existing values and replace them with your own data. This step brings your chart to life by filling it with real information that tells your story. And there you have it. You've successfully created and customized a chart in Adobe Express. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.